Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use your Android device on your MacBook. In the previous video, I showed you how to use your Android device on the Windows machine. So today I'm going to show you how to do the same thing on your Mac. Okay. So first things first, you have to enable USB debugging on your Android device. Okay. So you open settings, then you go to developer options. Okay, but before you'll be able to get developer options on your Android device, you need to go to about phone, software information, and then you tap build number for 7 times. If you have already done so, it will tell you no need, developer mode has already been enabled. Okay, so when you see that notification, you go back, you scroll down, and then you find developer options. Okay, then you turn on USB debugging. Okay, if I turn off USB debugging, I won't be able to use my Android device on my Mac. Okay, so USB debugging has to be on. Okay, for the first time users, when you turn on USB debugging and then you have your USB cable plugged, okay, or connected to your MacBook, it will prompt you to allow USB debugging on this computer. Okay, if it is your machine, check and then tick on allow always on this computer from your phone, and then choose allow. Okay, good. Now when this one is done, we can now show you how to set it up. Okay, so let me close it and then show you how to do that. Good. So I already have the file here, but I'll show you how to get the file on Mac too. Okay, so I'll open my browser and then I'll type scrcpy. Use the first link, okay, the GitHub repository. So you click on this one, you wait for it to load. Why is it taking so long? I don't know why it is taking so long. What is wrong? Okay, so this is the repository. Now on the right side, look for releases and then the one that is labeled with latest. Okay, so you click that one, you see that we have the latest version 3.1. so these are the information that you have about scrcpy. Okay, good. So you scroll down to assets and then you choose the platform that you are on, that is Mac. Okay, good. Now when you click on this one, it will start the download, but I don't need to do that because I already have the file. Okay, good. So when the file is downloaded, I'll just open my Finder and then come to downloads. Okay, good. I have already extracted it, but let me delete it. I have something to show you. Okay, so I will right click on the file and choose open with and then archive utility. Now it will extract the tar file again. Okay, so I'll open this folder. Now pay attention here. When you double click on scrcpy, it will tell you that scrcpy is not opened. Apple could not verify scrcpy is free of malware. Okay, so Apple thinks this one is a malware file. Okay, but we still want to use it, so I'll click on done. Okay, and then open my system settings. Now when I open system settings, on the left pane I'll have to scroll down and go to privacy and security. Okay, on the right side I'll scroll down again and then choose open anyway, but read the information first. scrcpy was blocked to protect your Mac. Okay, but I'll choose open anyway. I'll get another prompt. Apple is not able to verify that it is free of malware. Okay, I don't have to mind that. I'll choose open anyway. It will tell me to enter my password to verify that I am the administrator. Okay, so I'll type my password and then I'll choose OK. When I choose OK, scrcpy will start running. Okay, good. So voila, I have my Android device running on my MacBook. It is as simple as that. Very simple. If you have any questions, if you're facing any problem, just let me know in the comment section. Alright. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time.